Selamat pagi Indonesia 288.
Indonesia 288, pagi, go ahead, sir.
Indonesia 288, stand number 2 Nana, Boeing 738, registration call Foxtrot Juliet, POB 158. Request push and start for Surabaya, flight level 370.
Indonesia 288, confirm ready pushback.
Indonesia 288, affirm.
Roger, Indonesia 288, pushback and start approve, heading northwest, runway 23.
Push approve, face northwest, runway 23, Indonesia 288.
Yeah, go ahead, Cape.
Okay, clear push and start heading northwest.
Clear push and start heading northwest, brake release, Cape.
Brake release. Bisa sambil start.
Panama ground, good morning, Wing Sabari 1264, radio check, how do you read?
Wing Sabari 1264, how do you, correction, reading you 5, sir, how do you read me?
Loud and clear, ma'am. Request Quebec Alpha mic, ma'am, because we don't, we can copy from ATS 126 to decimal 3.
Wings 1264, stand by, sir.
Stand by 1264.
Engine 2, I want it.
Check.
Pushback complete, brake set, Cape.
Brake set. Start complete, remove runway 1. Terima kasih, Pak.
Fuel go given, Islam dari kiri, selamat pagi, Cape.
Pagi, Pak.
Wing Sabari 1264, Grand.
Go ahead, ma'am, 1264.
Artist now available, sir, on 126 decimal 3.
Thank you, ma'am, Wing Sabari 1264.
Engine start lever. Flight control, ground equipment.
Indonesia 288, request taxi.
Flight clear.
Indonesia 288, taxi runway 23, follow uniform 2. ATC clearance available.
Taxi holding point runway 23, fly uniform to Indonesia 288, go ahead.
Indonesia 288, clear to Surabaya via Whiskey 12, level 370, transponder 0536.
Clear to Surabaya Whiskey 12, flight level 370, scope 0536, Indonesia 288.
Namukan. Landing 231, continue line up runway 23.
Banting line up line 231.
Contact to director 119.7.
1197 line 231, thank you. Indonesia 288, ready from Delta intersection.
Indonesia 288, Delta is approved, continue line up.
New line up Indonesia 288.
Clear line up. Clear. Clear.
For safety reason, we will dim the cabin light during aircraft takeoff and landing. Thank you.
Flight attendants, take off position. Before takeoff, checklist flaps. Stabilizer trim. Transponder. Flight attendants. Before takeoff, checklist complete.
Indonesia 288, after departure, left turn heading 135, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Airborne left heading 135, runway 23, clear takeoff, Indonesia 288.
kamu ground.
Airborne left heading 135, clear for takeoff. Stabilize. Thrust set. Eighty knots.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Malaysian 1.
$400. Heading south. 135 sec.
Indonesia 28, airborne time 12, contact director 119.7.
Director 119.7, Indonesia 28, good morning.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Medan Director Indonesia 28, good morning out of 1300, leveling 135. Indonesia 288, Medan Director negative identify, Hokkaido please 0536, declared direct to Boras, climb to flight level 370. Climb flight level 370, 0536, Indonesia 288.
Speed check. Clear direct Boras ya. Dim execute. All available. All nav check. Nav speed. Up no light.
Line 231, contact Medan Radar 121.2.
Switch off.
112, line 231, good day. Indonesia 288, identified passing 2,900, continue climb to flight level 370. Climb level 370, Indonesia 288.
The takeoff checklist, engine bleeds on, packs auto. Landing gear up and off, flaps up no light. After takeoff checklist complete.
Director Indonesia 288, selamat pagi, approaching 10,000 feet.
Indonesia 288, selamat pagi, passing 10,500, continue descent 2,500, direct Nimas, clear ILS approach runway 10, report established, localizer, clear high speed.
Clear high speed descent 2,500 for Nimas, and clear ILS runway 10, Indonesia 288, ultra. Flight 315, establish on localizer, runway 105 miles to Nimas.
And 315, continue approach.
Continue approach.
Flight attendants, prepare for landing.
Landing.
Dengan Vika, suhunya berapa, Captain?
27.
Director, selamat pagi, Land 731.
Pagi, Land 731, continue descent to 4,000, number 3, sequence.
Descent 4,000 for number 3, Land 731.
Project list altimeter 10 set, passenger sign on flight radar notified. Project list complete. Thousand to level off. Clear ILS ya.
Line 731, turn left, heading 195.
Heading 105, Land 731.
Line 731, descend 2500.
2500, line 731.
Director, line inter 856, selamat pagi, departure.
Line 856, identify departure, passing 2000, fly heading 040, initially for spacing traffic, climb 240.
Close the capture.
Heading 040, climb 240, line inter 856.
Indonesia 288, establish localizer runway 10.
Indonesia 288, approaching Nimas, continue approach contact tower 1183.
Approach tower 118.3, Indonesia 288, thank you. Juara Tower, selamat pagi Indonesia 288, the localizer runway 10.
Indonesia 288, continue approach KNX 1010, sequence number 3 after 2 traffic departure.
Continue approach 1010, Indonesia 288. Continue approach number 3.
Juara Tower, hotel uniform for 19er.
Hotel uniform for 19er, confirm.
Affirmative, ma'am.
Hotel uniform for 19er, go ahead.
Hotel uniform for 19er, position and Delta apron, start engine complete, request takeoff clearance for reposition from Delta apron to Bravo apron.
Hotel uniform for 19er, take off direction 10, report ready.
Takeoff direction 10, report ready, hotel uniform for 19er.
India 5 Sierra, stand by departure.
Standing by, India 5 Sierra.
Line 748, immediate line up.
Immediate line up, line inter 748.
Lieutenants, planning position. Speed check 15.
Indonesia 449er at 11046, contact director 123.2.
Airborne 46, contact 123.2, Indonesia 449. Terima kasih Mbak, selamat pagi, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Very green. Wireless number 2.
Line inter 748, line up and ready.
Landing checklist, engine start switches. Speed brake.
Lion Inter 748, cancel SID after departure, turn left heading 040, runway 10, clear for takeoff.
After departure, cancel SID, turn left heading 040, runway 10, clear for takeoff, line inter 748.
Juanda.
Go ahead for India 5 Sierra.
1000.
Take off direction 10, maintain 500 feet, and maintain runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, maintain one-way heading 500 feet, India 5 Sierra.
Indonesia 288, short panel.
Indonesia 288, clear to line surface income.
Clear land, Indonesia 288. Clear land.
Pagi line 731, localizer 10.
Line Inter 748 at one time 49er, contact director 123.2.
Contact director 123.2, line inter 748.
Juanda line 731, localizer 10.
500.
Line 731, continue approach, KNX 1010.
1010, can approach line 731.
Indonesia 368, behind traffic, consult, final landing passing.
Approaching minimums.
Line up behind.
300.
Behind traffic, landing passing, line up behind, Indonesia 368.
Minimums. 200.
Papa Kilo Indah 5 Sierra Juanda.
Go ahead for India 5 Sierra.
Immediate right turn, climb to 1000 feet, report Sidoarjo.
50.
Right turn 1000 feet and report Sidoarjo, India 5 Sierra.
10.
Juanda.
Speed brake up. Reverser normal. Auto brake disarm. 16 up.
Indonesia 288 at landing count 50, taxiat Sierra 4, contact ground 119.15.
04119115, Indonesia 288, thank you. Juanda ground, good morning Indonesia 288, Sierra 4, Golf Foxtrot Juliet.
Golf Foxtrot Juliet, Indonesia 288, continue Sierra Papa 2, Sierra 6, parking stand Alpha 1.
Papa 206 Alpha 1, Indonesia 280. Papa 206 Alpha 1. APU stop.
Calstar 711 ready for taxi. Calstar 711 taxi holding point runway 10, November 5, November Papa 2, November 1. Runway 10, November 5, November Papa 2, November 1, Calstar 711. 76, status back proof, runway 10 facing to the west.
Fusion available, brake pressure green.
Green and 3, contact 118.3.
118.3, for green and 3, not pagi.
Pagi.
Flight set.
And 786, when ready taxi to holding point runway 10, November 4, November Papa 2, November 1. November 4, Papa 2, November 1, 786. Jalan ground 1 inter 731, expected November 6. 731, continue November Papa 2, November 5, parking stand 16. November Papa 2, November 5, parking stand 16, line inter 731.